Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. It looks like there is something to celebrate over for those who have been agitating and also Nigerians who have had a lot of displeasure over the running of this country by this present administration. When it looks like the United States and they have decided to do the needful over this. But before we go to the newspaper to find out exactly what is bringing so much excitement in the air, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, there's actually 14 members of the United States Congress that have actually written to Congress Secretary of State Anthony Blinken, asking him to reverse the removal of Nigeria from the religious persecution list, which they said is tantamount to giving the Nigerian government a license to kill. Congress members Mary E. Miller, Mark Green, MD Gus Belerakis, Tracy Mann, Michael Guest, Louis Goment, Bob Good, Ralph Norman, Vicky Hezler, Mo Brooks, Brian Babin, DDS Lauren Bobet, Dan Bishop, Michael Cloud made their opinion known in a letter dated December 9, 2021. Here's the letter. Secretary Blinken, one of our founding ideals as a nation is to allow citizens the freedom to practice religion and to maintain their freedom to do so. As a result of this core value, we as a nation are compelled to promote religious freedom around the world and point it out when other countries are not. We are deeply troubled by your recent decision to remove Nigeria from the list of countries of particular concern, that's CPC. This decision is egregious. Your action undermines the United States' commitment to protecting international religious freedom. Nigeria, being the most populous country in Africa, is home to 80 million professing Christians. Millions of Christians living in Nigeria face some sort of worst act of persecution, causing many to flee as a result of the devastating violence. Since June of 2015, there have been 11,000 Nigerians Christian brought down by jihadists, radicalized herdsmen from the Fulani tribe, and emerging group Boko Haram. 1,202 of those brought down happened in the first 6 months of 2020. In 2021 alone, an estimated 3,462 Christians have been brought down. We find this decision highly suspicious as it came just days before your trip to Africa to meet with Nigerian officials. It also goes directly against the 2021 recommendations for countries of particular concern (CPC) and Special Watch List (SWL) by United States Commission on International Religious Freedom (USCIRF). This decision is egregious. Your refusal to listen to the recommendations of the USCIRF and blatant disregard to the atrocities in Nigeria lacks necessary condemnation to those currently committing religious persecution abroad. We implore you to consider this decision. My God. Now, this is coming from the United States, and they're writing to the secretary. Don't forget that sometime in December to this year, Blinken actually visited Nigeria, and they had nice talks with the president, and it wasn't long. Nigeria was removed from that list, and Lai Mohammed was, super excited that it was merely propaganda that the agitators were making to just bring that now the truth is unveiling. Well, it looks like about 14 members have decided to counter the decision made by the Secretary of State of the United States, saying, look, facts and figures don't lie. And videos are everywhere to showcase the fact that this is not propaganda. It is real. It's nothing short of what is happening. If it's contrary to it, let there be. Then what's the videos? Why is there videos to support the fact that these things are happening? That if you remove Nigeria from that CPC list, then you're giving the present government, license to do whatever they like. Well, a lot of Nigerians have also decided to react to this a whole lot. We're going to take them cross-section and no holds bar. This one here is saying, Zamfara and Sokoto are now Christian states. Okay, this one here is saying, what have you said wrongly that is boiling you over? Okay, a lot of people are getting angry here. This one is America under Barack Obama and now Joe Biden is nothing short of what is going on. I don't understand what he's trying to write here. This one here is saying, yes, 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 yes. Excellent observations. We in Nigeria felt very bad and neglected by the government of most respected country, US. God bless these congressmen, 14 of them, long live America. This one here is saying, uh, America under Joe Biden has not been good to Nigeria. Whoa, calm down. This one here is saying, so those 14 Congress are not aware that 10 times of other Nigerians were brought down by the same guys, bandits and Fulani headsmen in same duration. Okay, this one here is saying, I insist the voice of that of Esau, but the hand is that of Jacob. There is unseen hand in this matter. Secretary of State is doing the talking while somebody group is taking the action. This one here is America should not forget that is God that made them the world power, so that they can be voice to the voiceless, home to the homeless, power to the powerless. Now they have neglected that responsibility by choosing to dine with the wrong people. God will surely hold them responsible because to him much has given, much is expected. This way, yes, God can and will equally remove them from world power if they keep compromising. Okay, but these are Nigerians talking generally. Some of them are getting very vexed. Some of them are talking. This one here is saying God has already removed them. Look at the natural disasters happening to America, tornadoes, floods. I think natural disaster happen everywhere in the world. It doesn't have to be just US. And if you check the environmental forces, you will notice that the US, Canada, the rest are prone to it. Africa is generally blessed. We usually don't have those tsunami things or a bit of earthquake, but some of them have been dormant for a while. So that's actually not a yardstick. But a lot of people are wondering what is going on, and that's to tell you the dynamics of international politics. While some persons have the opinion that it's not just the Christians that are involved in here, that if you go to Zamfara, if you go to Sokoto, those guys are not Christians that were brought down. Some of them are from different religion and they went down simply because these guys have their belief system and they just want it. Then, if you ask me, technically speaking, the congressmen were not wrong. They may not, be totally correct about the Christian thing, but then if there are a set of persons who are bringing down people in Zamfara, Sokoto, and every part of Nigeria, then those people should be stopped. And if they are not stopped, the international body should hold the government responsible for not, acting swiftly or quickly. They may be acting, but it may not be good enough because if it is good enough, we will not be having enough of this outcry, protests going on in the north over the North Life Matters. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our conversation also take. Do